Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic expression 8x squared plus 16x plus 8. In this video, we will guide you through each step of the solution process to help you understand and master the concept of solving quadratic equations. Make sure to grab a pen and paper so you can follow along and practice on your own. Let's get started. To solve the quadratic expression 8x squared plus 16x plus 8, the first step is to factor out the greatest common factor from each term in the expression. In this case, the greatest common factor is 8, which can be divided evenly into 8x squared, 16x, and 8. Start by rewriting the expression as 8 multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 1. Effectively, we have factored out the 8, simplifying the quadratic expression inside. This process reduces the original expression to a more manageable form and allows us to focus on the inner quadratic expression, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Next, we need to factor the quadratic expression x squared plus 2x plus 1. To do this, we look for two numbers that multiply to 1 and add to 2. In this case, those numbers are 1 and 1. Therefore, we can rewrite the quadratic expression as x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. Now the original expression 8 multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 1 can be written as 8 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. Since x plus 1 is repeated, we simplify this further to 8 multiplied by x plus 1 squared. This gives us the final form 8 multiplied by x plus 1 squared, which is the simplest form of the given problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.